Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we will podcast with Najib, Brema, Fauzan, dan Faruk, and me, Gazi.
Okay, so today we will doing podcast with these four people, Najib, me, Fauzan, Ghazi, and then Farouk. And the topic is about uh, uh, what is that? College or study in uh,
In
other country. Okay, or we can say it study abroad. So let me ask Najib first. So why did you choose to study abroad?
Me choose study abroad. Yeah, for me, for doing study abroad, there is for your benefit. For example, for competition, for your school, for your your for your uh, for your education and another, yeah, and a lot for benefits is you're doing in study abroad. Yeah, for me, yeah, let's
Okay, so that's the answer from Najib. So next, I will hear the answer or the opinion from Ghazi. So why did you choose to study abroad than study in Indonesia?
okay, okay. If I study abroad, I have many connection in other country, and that's make simple for uh, what search job, and uh, and I think if I study in Indonesia, this not very bad, and I think like we are other like UGM, that's fine, masih fine, and uh, if I study abroad, maybe I have knowledge knowledge in knowledge who I don't know in Indonesian. Okay.
Okay, that's the reason why you choose to study abroad in other country or yeah in outside of Indonesia. So next we'll hear from Farouk. So why did you choose to study abroad than study in Indonesia?
Uh, I think why I uh, go to the study abroad in our country because that is very much the connection and a connection and have the very much uh, education or or experience, and that's the because that's education and learning is very good, and That's is simple. And I like the study in uh, out country because I like, and that's simple, and that's very much the connection and learning. Okay, that's all for me.
Okay, thank you, Farooq.
Okay, why did you choose to study abroad? Huh?
Okay, we will go to the next question, maybe. So, for the next question, the second question is, uh, which country and university are you currently studying at? So, maybe this one is for Najib. Which country and university or school are you currently studying at?
Maybe for country in study, for education, I think in Malaysia or uh, Chinese or in Japanese. Why? Because for education in three country is good. Why? Because for education, yeah, uh, there is certificate for global school education. So for the uh, my study in uh, for get achievement in my education, yeah, I I will choose in three country. Okay, my 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 school ya, my education ya in there ya.
Okay, thank you so much, Najib. So, which country and university are you currently studying at? So, for us, we are currently studying in Indian boarding school, especially in Indonesia. So, this is our school now, and we will continue in several universities later in the future. Okay, to the next question. What major did you choose and why? So, this one for Farooq. What major did you choose and why?
Uh, which is country and university are you currently study at? Ini kan?
Masya Allah, number number three.
Yes.
Uh, major disease. Uh, I will I will I will enter a major in the cafe this uh, communication design visual because I like the design, editing video and illustration, and that's my hobby. Yeah. And I have the project. There is illustration and editing video and others, and that's I always make that, and I posting in social media. That's is my hobby from I make that project before I enter major the cafe. Uh, I make the project. I make that project before.
Sesuai. Relate.
Before I enter in the cafe, I make the project relate the my hobby that's isometric. illustration, editing video, and designer. And I I will focus my project. There is illustration, and the second is editing video, and the third is designer, design graphics, like poster and others.
Okay, thank you, Farouk. So the next, for Ghazi, what major did you choose and why?
I will choose for maybe not the coffee. I will choose animate because uh, I I have interest in uh, 3D animate and uh, I I'm working to a 3D modeler and I learned uh, rigging for the body and uh, maybe I will uh, for side work for side job I will like multimedia apa like multimedia for with my friends or other people and maybe that just yeah yeah.
Okay. Okay, thank you so much, Gozi. So, what major did you choose and why, Najib? What major did you choose and why? Jurusan apa yang dipilih?
For my major is designer or ya designer sih. Ya. If specific designer in design graphics or editing content or UI UX design. Ya, three specialist major. Okay, for why? Because uh, for me it is for design this time is for a project a long time and flexible. Yeah. So for design or editing content is for shooting videos or for make it videos. Yeah. Uh, that is a long vlog for flexible time and in finish in when anything. Yeah. Okay, maybe that's all. Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much, Najib. So, for me, what major did I choose and why? So, I will choose either to major, management, or visual communication design major. For management, because I like to manage something, rather is like managing tasks, managing project, managing time, and then or maybe managing personalities or member or team like that. And for visual communication, because I like design something, especially on product design and UI UX designs. So I really interesting on the two major, management major and visual communication design major. Okay, next, what was your first? Maybe how did you prepare before going abroad? So this question will be for Najib.
What? Okay. What's my prepare for we going to school ya, in country ya, in for education. Okay, for my prepare, it is two language in minimum. It is English and country language. Yes, for the country language, we will you choose in where your education. Yeah, you make prepare for language country. That is so. This number one. For number two, you can prepare for your history education in your school, in your SMP, in your SMK, and for the important that is for your ijazah and certificate. Certificate is for the important in your education in a new country. For prepare it. Yes, for me.
Okay, that's the Najib opinion and answers. And next, how did you prepare before going abroad for Farooq?
Gimana?
Oh, Masya Allah, number 4.
Masya Allah. I'm going to prepare. Before I going to prepare the our country from Indonesia, I prepare the my my mental and my mental and my and my mental and my knowledge and my knowledge and before I go to the out country before from Indonesia, I prepare of my mental and knowledge because that's is very because that is important for me. Uh, yeah, that's just that.
Okay, nice, Farooq. Okay, next, how do you prepare before going abroad? Ghazi.
Prepare. Okay. Uh, for my prepare, of course, I will prepare the IELTS or TOEFL or TOEFL for in other country and for speak and I will train my knowledge before because in other country the knowledge then 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 higher the, then higher in higher than Indonesia. And may, maybe not just about knowledge but your mental, your health, your uh barang barang and for your stuff you must prepare lebih banyak more. And if you in other country, uh, must you you must uh you must kos kosan ya rent house, search rent house, because if you not search rent house, you not have tempat tinggal live, and maybe that just for me.
Okay. So, uh, for me, how did you prepare before going abroad? So, I will prepare first my knowledge first, like general knowledge, whether it's math or science or something, because there will be the test for it. And after that, I will prepare my English skill from reading and then uh, hearing and pronunciation or something like that. And the next one, maybe I'll prepare my achievements because I think it will help. It will help us to get enter into universities in outside of Indonesia. And next questions: what was your first? Um, hold up. So the next question is: how do you manage your time while studying abroad? So this is for Najib.
For my manage time in abroad. Okay. For my I think yeah. I think for manage time in abroad, in education, that is yeah, managing your time is important, because yeah, if you if you not uh, if you're not managing time, you can uh, there is no get your history for school, yeah. Yeah, I think in your abroad you can prepare managing time, prepare your skill, improve your myself, improve yourself, and improve your skill, and upgrade skill, yeah, because you all skill you can get, yeah. After that you can uh, you can get benefit for managing time. Okay, that's for me.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much, Najib, for the answer and opinion. And now we'll go to the next questions. So, what college place or universities did you plan for continue your study in the future? So, for Farouk,
What?
okay, did you plan to go to? You planning for going to university in the future, right? So, what is the name of the universities that you want to go in the future later?
Country. Okay. The
Universities.
city.
Universitas mana?
I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. And I focus the country Malaysia country.
Oh,
Because that's my favorite. I I hope uh, I will got in the Malaysia country because that's my favorite. Yeah, maybe that's just that.
Okay, thank you, Farooq. So next, Gozi. So, so what's a country and campus name do you want to go in the future later?
Uh, I'm not. Uh, I not for 1 year. First year. I'm not college in other country, but I college in Indonesia,
Indonesia.
Universitas Indonesia, for 2 years, and 2 years again in MSU, Malaysia.
Malaysia.
Yeah,
That's double degree programs.
yeah, CCIP.
Okay, so in yeah, so in Malaysia.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay, next for Najib. So
How is the
Uh,
education? How is the education system different from your home country?
What you can repeat?
Perbedaan sistem pendidikan di sana dibandingkan negara asalmu.
okay, sorry. That's a miss question. So next, what did you plan when you studying abroad in other country? Okay, first you wanna study in what country and what campus name?
Okay, for planning for my country, in still in Indonesia.
Okay.
Still in Indonesia. Yeah. Because what? Yeah, I have planning for my education. Yeah, the next in Telkom or UGM
Telkom or
Yogyakarta. Yeah, Telkom Bandung or Telkom Jakarta, and for UGM Yogyakarta. That's
Okay,
yeah.
okay. So, what did you plan when you study abroad in Malaysia, Farooq?
What?
What? What did you plan when you study abroad in Malaysia later? You're planning like what you will do in Malaysia later when you study. Kalau udah kuliah di Malaysia,
Yeah. No. And, my planning in the Malaysia country, there is I wanna working in the Malaysia country, and I will get the major 3D animation or editing video. Yeah. and and I can illustration lah in Malaysian country. Okay, that's all.
Okay, thank you so much, Farooq. And next question. So, if you get rejected from UI or MSU, what will you do, Gazi?
Okay. Maybe same with Farooq. I will make 3D 3D model very much. Yeah, very much. And I will sell in apa namanya? Gumroad. Yes. Gumroad and UI 8 maybe, and UI net. UI 8. Okay. And I will
So you focus on work if you get rejected from UI and MSU.
yeah.
Okay, so you're focusing on your work.
Yeah.
So you're not continue to college.
Yeah. Yeah. Maybe just 4 years for my college.
If you get rejected, you focus on your work. Kontrol di UMSI.
Oh, go to Telkom Bandung with my portfolio. If I not certificate or knowledge many, I will with portfolio.
Okay, thank you, Koji. Okay, maybe that's all that we can. Okay, maybe that's all that we can do at this podcast. So for the viewers, I hope you can focus study in outside or study abroad because the experience is much better than in Indonesia. Okay, thank you so much for watching us from start till the end. And Najib,
What? Bring motivation.
yes, from motivation from okay maybe Faruk motivation from Faruk.
Give motivation.
My motivation. Don't forget pray doa.
Okay, Masya Allah.
Okay, nice motivation from Najib.
Don't forget to pray. Not pray duha. Pray duha is pray sunnah. Yes.
Come on. Emot. Okay. From Brema.
Okay, that's all. Not hearing, sir. Not hearing, not focus. Okay, next from Gazi, motivation.
Last. Mm, don't follow your hawa nafsu.
You can control your hawa nafsu.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Follow your goals. Okay.
Okay, that's enough for us today. Thank you for watching. Syukran. Last we say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.